Tim Burton fans, roll call. We're doing an inspired clown. I think of Tim Burton, I think of like really long faces. So we're gonna start with a long chin and a little twisty nose. We got the Beetlejuice inspired eyebrows, and I did some Mad Hatter inspired eyes. Circle eyes are so tough. I can never. I'm doing some stitching inspired by, yes, Sally Stitches. I'm not sure if I want the stitching to go all the way down. I actually think that'd be really cool, but originally it was just going to be this like sad mouth. That's what we're working with, and now it's just time for the final bits. We have our finished Tim Burton clown. I also have some dentures I'm gonna pop in at the end because I'm curious what this will look like with the dentures. I also am kind of like interested to maybe take off the chin. So fucking scary with the teeth. It's honestly giving Krampus, like the scary toys. That's totally what I'm picturing right now. Okay, I removed the chinny chin chin, and I actually kind of like both of them. I think like when I did the chin, I didn't execute it as amazing as I could have because I was trying to like rush it because I had already worked and I just like wanted the look to go fast. It's raining outside, yay, my favorite. Yeah, so I tried to rush through it, and I've been working on this for like honestly quite a while, for like 4.5 hours, actually 4:15 in the morning. Tell me which one you liked, if you liked the chin or without it. It actually looked super creepy with the chin. So yeah, good night guys. Mwah.